Hey everybody, welcome to my video today, you guys. I have so much to share with you and talk to you about today. I'm not actually making anything, but I want to share a whole bunch of really amazing projects. So you can see here I have some 3D items, and recently Chris went. You guys know Chris, she's my friend, and she does lots of stuff here for me on my channel and with my business. She's a huge help. I jokingly refer to her as my project manager because she's always managing so many different things for me, and I love her to death, appreciate her so much. And a couple weeks ago, she went to a meeting with Wendy, and you guys may know Wendy Cranford. She's my upline, and there was a fun meeting a couple hours away from us, and I wasn't able to attend, but Chris went with her, and they had so much fun and did a whole bunch of different projects. And Chris dropped them off to show me the other night, and I thought it would be fun to share with you, and I asked her if she would mind, and she didn't. So let's dive in and let's chat today. Let's get started by looking at these really cute 3D items. This is one of our gable boxes, and you can see it's wrapped. And then this is the Heart Happiness stamp set. And I love the colors. And then that Petal Passion designer paper that I love so much. This is a little box. Now these were all designed by different demonstrators. This meeting was a Stampin' Up meeting, and so lots of other demonstrators were there, and they designed projects, and then everybody got together and created different projects. So I don't know exactly who designed all of these, but you go and then you do a little make and take and put these projects together. So Chris put all the projects together, but they weren't designed by her. Then there's this box right here, and it has some candy in it. And I have a really fun announcement. Chris and I are doing another mini series, and this is going to be the Just Because Occasions Catalog and Celebration mini series, and that's going to be starting in a couple weeks. So you'll want to definitely stay tuned for details for that. And for that, Chris has designed all the projects, which are amazing. I just got a sneak peek at yesterday. So this is a little bag. It's made with some designer paper, and then it says happy birthday on it, and it has some of that glimmer paper, and this one's really cute. And then here is one of those gold bags, and if you place an order, if you're placing an order this month with me, you will get a gold bag with a Wink of Stella and some glimmer paper inside. So this is one of those gold bags, and you can do lots of different things with these gold bags. They're really sturdy. I love them. I love the gold striping. Okay, so let's look at some cards that she did. A couple of these I know she did at the meeting, and then a couple of these she did on her own. So this card, you guys, are you ready to be wowed? So you open it up like this. I mean, just wait for it. How phenomenal is this card? When she showed me this card, I just kept doing this. I thought it was so amazing. She said it was super easy to make, and I just love it. I love that wow factor. So there's this one right here. This is a celebration stamp set. So when you place a $100 order, you can get this stamp set for free. Here is a birthday card. This is this card right here and this card. Both she made on her own, and she used card sketches that I share every week in my Facebook group for my team. So when you become part of Stampin' Up and you join my team, you get to have a card sketch that every week you can follow. And she made these following those sketches just to show different ways to create cards. And they're beautiful. I love them. And then there is this card right here, which is on a longer, can open that way, it can open this way, but it's a longer card, and I love that. This was made with the Paper Pumpkin product from last month. And then there is this card right here. Opens up this way. There is some gray ribbon on here, which is really beautiful. And then the Bubble Over product. I've been using that a lot lately. I did a 12 by 12 traditional scrapbook layout. I'll put a card in right here using this product last week. Then there's this little tiny note card, and it goes with this envelope, which is super cute. I love these little note cards and envelopes. They're really tiny, you can see that, and then they're cute. Like, who does not want to get a little card that is this size? I love it. And then this is the very last card, and it's really pretty. It has that stamp set on it again. And it opens up this way. I love it. So those are the projects that she made. I love them. There'll be photos on my website. I'm sharing all of this with her permission. And then just so you guys know, starting tomorrow on Thursday, we are having a really fun special. You buy a fast fuse adhesive. So this is the fast fuse adhesive. You purchase this and you get 2 refills for free. So this is while supplies last. So for every fast fuse that you purchase, you get 2 refills for free. And that promotion starts tomorrow. You don't need any special code. You just add the product to your cart and everything will go through. So remember, if you're ordering from me this month, I have a Wink of Stella and a little gold bag with some glimmer paper in it that I'm giving away for every $50. When you spend $50 with me, you get that little customer appreciation gift. This promotion starts tomorrow, and then I will be back on Friday to share with you some memory keeping fun. So I hope you guys are having a great day. I hope that you guys enjoyed seeing Chris's products right here. Over on my Facebook and down in the YouTube description, there is a supply list and a link to Chris's Facebook page. I would really love for you guys to go over and like her business Facebook page and give her a little shout out and tell her how much you are enjoying her products and seeing what she is creating. And we'll start our mini series in just a few weeks. So thank you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys on Friday. Hey everybody, there is a link if you would like to join Stampin' Up. There is a link down below in the YouTube description. I totally forgot to tell you the details of joining, so I just wanted to pop in here really quick. You can join Stampin' Up right now for $99, and then you get $125 in product. You pick that product out. It's whatever you would like, and then you get 2 additional free stamp sets, and those stamp sets are stamp sets that you pick out of the annual catalog or the occasions catalog. So when you place that order, you become part of my team and you get that product. It ships to you for free. So it is really the best deal right now to join and get that extra product. And there are no penalties. It's really not scary to join. It is just a lot of fun. We have exclusive Facebook groups and monthly meetings and fun time stamping and sharing. And it's really a really fun, amazing community. So I would love for you guys to join. If you have any questions, you can always email me or just follow that link that is on my website or down below in the YouTube description, and I would love to welcome you on to be a part of my team. I hope you guys are having a great day. Here are a couple photos of the projects that I shared with you today, and I will catch you on Friday when I am back sharing some memory keeping fun with you guys. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are 2 other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.